Welcome back to another video. Today's video is a different one. We're fishing out in a river for a walleye, and I hooked into a big one, but you have to stay tuned to see what that is. So stay tuned for today's video, and I hope you enjoy. So we just got this little walleye in, like, how much water do you think?
Well, there's a bit of a hole there, but right off some rocks. And he hit me a couple of times, but nice, real nice yellow.
I said it'd be a great keeper.
Fish, healthy. Yep, we already got fish.
We're gonna... Oh, okay, so we weren't recording because we were just gonna wait until we started catching fish. And I just pulled up a ginormous walleye out of the river, not even the lake. It's probably gonna go 7 pounds or so. Like, oh my goodness, it's huge.
Look right at him.
Right in the edge of the mouth.
Right in the nose.
Holy jeez, that's probably, wow. Okay, I'm gonna put you on my hat. We're gonna get a weigh on him. I'm gonna get my scale out. What is it?
Let's see.
8 pounds. Look at that beast.
He's a good one.
All right, we're gonna go get a quick picture and throw him back. All right, so it was actually 9 pounds. We read the scale wrong, but that was the biggest. I had to cut another 9-pounder in the same river, or in the lake down there a couple years ago, but that's the biggest fish, the biggest walleye I've ever caught with that one. I got one.
That one?
Yeah, it's a pickerel. It's a keeper. I'll just flip him. Whee! That's a river fish. Here's my fish. He's probably a keeper. One,
keep him for dinner.
One for supper?
Yeah.
Sure. Alright, he's going on the stringer. On the stringer. You settle down, you little beauty. I caught him on a red and white jig with a little worm on it. Oh, I got one. Oh, it's a walleye. Alright, I can net it. Oh, good one. Just right after I caught that one.
Here's a river walleye. Yes, like that. So the water flows over the top of it. There we go.
I got one.
Oh, I lost him, Thomas. Looks like a decent pickerel. It's definitely a pickerel.
Yeah.
If water gets too high, it flows over the dam, but otherwise the stop logs control the...
Okay.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that was a pickerel. It felt like a pickerel. Didn't hit it.
Got him.
You got him?
Yeah. Feel it.
There's my fish.
Whee!
Nice job, Thomas.
He's pretty small.
Oh, I think we can keep him.
Yeah.
No?
Huh?
Alright, we'll throw him back.
I think he's a today fish.
I think he's a today fish. I think we have fish.
Oh.
There's stuff in the net.
Caught a pickerel, a walleye, and my sandwich container was in the net. Keeper?
Oh, that's a keeper.
Oh, his eyes kind of... No, never mind.
That's a beauty.
Oh, is that a rockfish?
It's a rockfish.
There we go. Going on the stringer. Is it coming in? Oh, it's right here. I don't remember if I'm recording or not. Oh, it's pretty nice. Oh, wow.
Get bigger.
That's the one over 18.
Definitely.
That's a beauty.
That's a good river pickerel, that one.
It's a river walleye.
River walleye.
There you go. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you noticed, the second part of the video, we had lots of our stuff because we went camping. So if you want to see any camping videos, leave a comment down below. And it was a nice walleye. It was 9 pounds. We just measured it wrong because there's a tick on every half pound. So we measured it wrong the first time. Then we looked back at the footage and it said 9. So our Instagram and Facebook page links will be in the description. And like and subscribe if you enjoyed. And see you next time.